Have you ever had tapioca in Brazil? I'm not talking tapioca pudding or those cool little balls that go in the fancy little drinks. This is Brazilian tapioca, and it is good. Step 1, heat a pan, a dry pan, no oil needed. Step 2, throw in the tapioca flour, as is, straight from the bag. The tapioca flour is often found in the refrigerator section of most grocers. For us, that was the hardest step in the process, is actually finding the flour the first time. Add a little salt. Flip the pancake. If you're unskilled like me, you can use a spatula. Add a few dollops of butter. And don't leave your flour in the pan too long, or the pancake becomes too chewy. Now you have a tapioca pancake. A tapioca pancake, when done, is thin and a bit rubbery. The texture is a bit like a cow tongue with the taste buds. Probably won't be hired for the Food Network for that one, but it's very good and it's addictive. The pancakes you can have with fried egg, fried banana, or sometimes you can have them for dessert with a little bit of chocolate on top, and they're good in all scenarios.
Tapioca! Tapioca!